In 2025, minimalism takes a bold yet understated turn with wall designs that embrace simplicity while exuding sophistication. Think of large, smooth, matte-finished walls in neutral tones like greige, taupe, or soft white. Subtle texture is added through micro-cement or plaster finishes, creating a tactile visual interest. Accents like slimline metallic wall sconces or a single oversized piece of abstract art become the centerpiece, maintaining a clean and clutter-free aesthetic that defines modern minimalism. Metallic accents and industrial wall decor for 2025. The industrial aesthetic continues to evolve in 2025 with walls that incorporate metallic accents like brushed brass, aged bronze, and polished steel. These materials are used for wall paneling, decorative trims, or even as reflective surfaces. Paired with dark neutral walls or exposed concrete, metallics bring warmth and elegance to the cool, rugged industrial style. Features like metal grids for hanging plants or artwork also add a touch of utility to these designs. Black and white wall decorating idea. Black and white wall decor creates a timeless yet modern statement in 2025. Bold, graphic wallpaper with geometric or abstract patterns adds depth and drama, while alternating painted sections of black and white creates striking contrasts. For those seeking simplicity, a white wall adorned with black framed art or monochrome photography offers a clean yet impactful look. The key is balance, ensuring neither color dominates, maintaining harmony in the space. Floating shelves and modular systems for functional wall decor. In 2025, walls are no longer just decorative, they're functional. Floating shelves with invisible mounts provide a sleek, modern storage solution, ideal for showcasing curated decor pieces or houseplants. Modular wall systems with customizable configurations allow for endless design possibilities, catering to both aesthetics and practicality. These systems blend seamlessly into open concept spaces, creating storage that's stylish yet unobtrusive. Geometric wall art. A 2025 modern design staple. Geometric designs dominate modern wall decor in 2025, adding structure and movement to interiors. Painted shapes like triangles, circles, or intersecting lines create visual intrigue, while 3D wall panels enhance the tactile appeal. This trend often incorporates bold colors like navy, emerald green, or mustard yellow to make a statement. For a subtler look, monochrome or pastel geometric patterns provide a modern yet understated vibe. Mirror magic. Modern reflections in wall design. Mirrors continue to evolve as both functional and decorative elements in 2025. Modern designs feature asymmetrical shapes, tinted glass in bronze or gray, and sculptural frames. Mirror panels can cover entire walls, creating the illusion of expanded space and amplifying natural light. Clustered arrangements of small mirrors in unique shapes add a playful yet sophisticated touch to contemporary interiors. Mixed media murals. Art for the modern age. Murals in 2025 go beyond paint, blending various media for a multidimensional effect. Digital projections layer dynamic patterns over hand-painted backgrounds, creating an ever-changing visual experience. Textures like metal or wood inlays within mural designs add depth and interest. These installations often become a room's focal point, showcasing creativity and individuality in modern homes. Textured walls for the modern minimalist. Textured walls provide a tactile dimension to minimalist spaces in 2025. Micro-cement finishes, Venetian plaster, or fabric-wrapped panels add subtle variations that catch the light beautifully. Neutral tones enhance the texture without overpowering the room. In living areas, accent walls with ribbed or fluted designs create understated elegance, blending seamlessly with minimalist furniture. Open concept divider walls. Decorative and functional solution. In 2025, modern wall designs double as room dividers in open concept homes. Slatted wood panels offer partial transparency, maintaining an open feel while defining separate zones. Glass walls with frosted or etched patterns add privacy without sacrificing light flow. Modular shelving units attached to walls provide storage and display options, combining utility with sleek aesthetics. These dividers ensure that open layouts remain functional and stylish.